Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery on a Honda CRV remote key. Start by removing the mechanical key and prying open the fob at the seam with a flat screwdriver, taking care not to crack the housing. Carefully remove the old CR2032 cell, note the polarity, and insert the new battery with the plus side facing up. Snap the case closed and test lock, unlock, and panic functions to confirm success. Begin on a clean work surface with good light to avoid losing tiny components and to protect the fob finish. Use a flat screwdriver or pry tool to gently open the case and non-metal tweezers to lift the battery without shorting contacts. Keep the CR2032 battery in its packaging until ready and dispose of the old cell properly. Take your time and stay patient to avoid damaging the plastic housing or circuit board. If the fob still does not work after replacing the battery, start by confirming the new CR2032 is oriented correctly and that the contact surfaces are clean. Try reinitializing the keyless remote by pressing lock and unlock together for several seconds, following vehicle-specific steps if needed. If the remote remains unresponsive, check the vehicle battery and fuses, try a second new battery, and consider visiting a locksmith or dealer to inspect the transponder or replace the key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.